This time is the perfect summer night. Those three words are spelled out in your eyes.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to dye my hair pink! Yes, I'm really excited because this is my dream hair. A pastel pink to be exact. So I'm not really sure if I can achieve it because my hair is not really, it's very patchy. Hindi siya pantay-pantay. So, meaning yung outcome ng aking pink hair is talagang hindi siya pantay. Some of you might wonder, Ate Rachel, why are you dyeing again your hair? It's like 2 weeks pa lang nung nag-bleach ka. So, to answer your question, even though you didn't ask. So, to answer your question, guys, I'm going to use a semi-permanent dye, which is, it does not involve any developer at all. So, hindi siya damaging sa hair. More of a conditioning lang siya. So, I think it would wash off for at least 10 washes to 12 washes para talagang mag-fade na talaga yung color niya. So, now, I'm really excited because yung gagamitin ko is a semi-permanent. So, this one is a cellowax. I bought this one sa Shopee, so I'll be linking it down below. And it's only 35 pesos. And they have other colors too, but I chose pink instead kasi ito yung dream na color ko talaga. I bought 4 sachets just in case. So, mas okay nang sumobra kaysa sa kulang. I will dilute it with a conditioner kasi nakita ko sa mga ibang reviews is super pigmented net or super bright pink siya, as in pink na pink. So, I don't want that. I want to achieve a pastel color of pink. Kaya, mag-a-add ako ng conditioner. So, I'm going to use this Triple Keratin Rescue by Cream Silk. And it's an Ultimate Color Revive Ultra Conditioner. This is not sponsored by them, by the way. But I'm going to use this one. Parang tatansyahin ko lang kung gaano ko kagusto na ka-light or ka-pastel yung pink na i-combine ko sa kanila. Let's start the dyeing right now. I'm going to change my shirt into a more suitable shirt na pwedeng lagyan ng iba't ibang mga tinta or mga dye. So now I'm ready na to start this dyeing process. Not dyeing. Not dyeing also na bangus. It's the dyeing part of my hair. So let's go! I'm so excited and I hope it would turn gray. So what are you going to need for this experiment? First is I have gloves kasi this is dye. So talaga mag-sustain yung kamay mo if you're not going to use gloves. I have here measuring cups and tablespoons para alam ko yung measurement, and kapag gumawa ulit ako ng another mix of this dye is pareho yung measurement. Next is a brush. I don't know if I'm going to use this or I'm just going to bail it out kasi nung nag-bleach ako, hindi ko talaga siya ginamit. So, let's see if magagamit ko siya ngayon. Next is this mixing cup. So, it's the same thing na ginamit ko nung nag-bleach ako. So, next are the cellowax and then the conditioner. So, let's see. I'm really excited. I'm going to part my hair into 4 parts. For my conditioner, I will use 1 cup, 1/2 cup of conditioner. Di pala siya 1/2 cup, more less than 1/2 cup. And, oh my gosh, nalagay ko na siya dyan. As for the cellowax, I think 1 scoop muna lalagay ko. More, half ng tablespoon. Oh, smells so nice. Smells like conditioner. Then I'm just going to mix it. There's some holes in this house. There's some holes. Maglalagay ulit ako ng half tablespoon. Let me try it first sa isang strand. I'll try it sa isang strand. I mean, sa isang section, thin section ng hair ko para alam ko ang mangyayari. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-pigmented. Hindi siya pink. Why? I think I'll add more. Another half tablespoon. This is my 4th half tablespoon. Last na to. It looks like this. And now, mag-start na ako mag-apply. Now, nagtitimpla na ako ng second ko kasi naubos na yung first timpla. Ko lang siya ng plastic bag. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. I'm not really sure kung kakapit siya kasi parang hindi. I applied it as even as possible. So, I'm just gonna leave it for an hour. Mukha akong alien. I'm going to see you later kapag na-wash ko na to.
So what happened here was it didn't turn out as pastel as I wanted it. It's more of a peachy kind of color. So I decided to do it again and repeated the same steps again and again. And I applied the cellowax and added a lot of the cellowax this time. And now this is the final look.
I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. Make you mine. Make you mine. Jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded, the years we look forward to might be over soon.
So, ito na ang itsura ng hair ko, and it is pink, but it's not pastel pink, pero medyo bright pink pa rin siya. Pero I really like how it looks. Sobrang ganda niya. But, guys, so as I've said earlier, hindi talaga magpapantay yung hair ko kasi hindi talaga siya pantay in the first place. So, this is how it looks like. I really, really love it. Sobrang ganda niya. And hindi siya talaga damaging, guys. I really recommend that if you're going for fashion colors and you want to change every now and then. And ayan, I really like it. The blackpink in your area. Char. Pero maganda siya, guys. And more of a peachy pink siya. So, don't ever try yung ginawa ko na 5 half tablespoon lang inilagay ko. Kasi guys, hindi siya magiging bright pink. More of a peachy kasi yung unang result niya eh. So, I recommend na huwag kayong mag-hesitate na maglagay pa ng cellowax kasi I think that cellowax is not, hindi siya kumakapit sa mga level 7 or 8 na hair. Kaya, that is the cause of this orange part, peachy, parang peachy siya na thingy dito sa roots ko. And also here, banda here, medyo hindi talaga siya pink, pero it's my fault kaya ganun. So, I recommend na gawin nyo or lagyan nyo ng cellowax yung hair nyo if your hair is at level 9 or 10. Talagang ma-achieve nyo yung pastel pink talaga. Pero kung gusto nyo naman yung gantong color, then 7 or 8 is 7 or 8 will do for this kind of color. So, ang cute, diba? Parang girly-girly mo. So, that will be the end of my video. I hope you like this video and stay tuned sa mga upcoming videos ko kasi marami pa akong nakaplano, marami pa akong mga nakaplano na mga videos na ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell button beside it so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye!